This I-Joist line that we've put in is the biggest I-Joist line in Europe by capacity, and it's the most modern currently in Europe as well. If it was at full capacity, it could do 20 million metres minimum. The I-Joist is predominantly used in flooring and in roof construction. This factory brings in both the flange material, which is the top and the bottom of the joist, and then also the web material, which forms the middle section. There's a real need for new housing stock, as we see politically. We see ourselves as being at the forefront of providing the large and smaller house builders with that ability. The processes that we've deployed at Forres are fully sustainable, like they are across the whole group, and so nothing is wasted.
We have a loading station outside where we're loading in the flange material, and then it's going into a destacking area, which is destacking by vacuum lift.
They then are trimmed to length, and then we take these flanges through what we call a tension tester,
where we actually put a string on the timber. We're pulling the timber to make sure it's up to the right standard. Then it's going up to a manual grading station where we have a visual check of the material.
The robotic grippers lift the material into the assembly station, ready for processing a groove in the flanges.
And then it's going through the assembly machine with an automated gluing system, and then we fit in the OSB, which is a web material.
A little bit back the process, we also mark the ends of each of the flanges with a blue mark. The blue mark is our identification mark for the flying saw to cut.
Then it's going into what we call the carousel, which is a curing tower, for giving us 3 to 5 minutes curing time of the glue.
The glue is cured by the time it comes out the carousel. The maximum length that we can produce on this line is 13.5 metres.
It also has the flexibility to do what's called precision end trimming,
where we can cut into customized length of the finished I-beams. And then it's going into a nesting area where we're stacking the packs.
And then, of course, we need to wrap it with our James Jones wrap.
It's a completely automated line from start to finished, including gluing and length cutting.
It's actually manufactured by the world-leading manufacturer of I-Joist machinery, Globe Machinery in Tacoma, Seattle.
Then it was sent over in 26 40-foot containers, which we unloaded here on site, and then we basically assembled it.
We have recently invested in producing new design software, and we think it really is market leading, and it has the ability to provide exactly what our customers need. I think what this new line brings to the market, and particularly the end user being some of the major house builders, is the confidence that we have the capacity, we have the flexibility to deliver to them on an ongoing basis.
There is no other I-Joist line like this within the UK. This line that we have is the fastest, it's the most efficient and modern in Europe, perhaps in the world.